Hi guys, so I'm happy to announce that I will be giving my Rust security audit and fuzzing training at Hacking the Box Cyber Week Abu Dhabi. So I hope you will be there to enjoy it. So to give you a quick overview, during the first day we're going to learn everything you need to learn about Rust basically, and Rust security, how it's work, which kind of security vulnerability are the most common, how to detect them, and how to write better code basically. For the second day, we're going to start doing some fuzzing and find some real bug into a real target. It will be only real target, like libraries that are used by thousands and even million of projects. So that will be really interesting, and you will maybe even find some OD, we will see. And basically, the third day will be the continuation of the second day regarding fuzzing, but we will, in addition to fuzz and do the exercise that are there, I'm planning to have something a bit more interactive, where basically you will come with your own target, like you will select whatever target is the most interesting for you that is written in Rust, and we will try together with the class to build the first target, find some vulnerability, and yeah, it will be I think a lot of fun. So I hope to see you, a lot of you there, and enjoy your training there. Bye.